Hello again. This is not an exciting picture, but it is not supposed to be an exciting picture. It is supposed to be a well-packed item, and this indeed is the box that contains the Commodore adding machine that I showed earlier on. And I was going to show you how I did it all, but it seemed it was going to take so much time I'd never get the thing shipped. So, let me describe what I have done. As I said, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. It's a beautiful thing. So the entire machine has been wrapped 3 or 4 times in bubble wrap, which it's not the really thick stuff, kind of medium, but very good. So it is wrapped, 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 wrapped. Then that whole thing has gone into a box. Not this box, because way, 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 way back, Commodore used to ship their 9090 and 9060 hard drives in a box that was quite big, but inside the box that was, well, quite large, was another box. And there was foam on all the sides of the little box inside the big box to protect it, because of course these things were quite delicate. I'm not sure how delicate this adding machine is, but regardless, I don't want to be one of those people who you hear about later, how, you know, somebody ordered something and they got it half smashed up and beat up and such. So what I did is I wrapped the adding machine in bubble wrap, and then I put it in a very strong box and taped it up, and then I put that box inside this box. And at the bottom there's a layer of scrunched up newspaper. At the top there's a layer of scrunched up newspaper. Down the sides are, yes, some water bottles which are empty. They make very good packing things. They you know, if something pushes on it, they have some give to them. And then of course it's taped up. It will be taped up more. It will. So it will be secure, it will be addressed, and it will be on its way today. Which, I hate shipping things late, but life happens, and actually I kind of forgot I even had this listed for sale, because I really haven't been online very much. So, to summarize, bubble wrap inside a box. The box inside a box with lots of scrunched up paper on the top and the bottom, and I guess there's some at the ends, but also some regulation 500 milliliter water bottles down each end to also add a layer of shock absorbing plastic and air, kind of like not big bubble wrap, but big, what do they call those things? My mind escapes me. Anyway, sometimes you get things shipped and they have almost like these plastic bags of air. And they're good, they're fine, they're dandy, but water bottles that are empty do provide much protection. So, this fine Commodore relic is now one step closer to being on its way. In this case, I'm in and around Toronto, and it will go to another location in Ontario that is far too far away to drive, otherwise I'd drop it off. So, when you're packing things, don't not use everything you possibly have. And yes, I know shipping costs and all that, but still, if something arrives there and it's broken, it really isn't good. So, thank you very much for being here, and I will continue addressing, taping, and preparing this box for shipment. Do stay tuned. I know this is not a really exciting picture, and Penny didn't come and visit this time. I'm not sure why. Penny! Are you out there? Nope, no Penny. So, here it is, just a box. And hopefully when it arrives, it will look like much the same box, and everything inside will be beautiful. It will be beautiful, you know. Beautiful. Thank you again. Stay tuned. Many, 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 many more videos to come. I have so much to do. Bye for now.